Now, this past week, Sofi Technologies stock went up by over 20%, bringing a lot of excitement to the Sofi investors. And this came after Sofi Technologies received some favorable comments from one of the Wall Street analysts indicating that they see a very good future into this Sofi Technologies stock. Now, we saw that after those favorable comments, the stock went up by over 11% in a single day, which, like I said, brought a lot of excitement into the Sofi Technologies investors. Now, you'll remember that Sofi Technologies is attracting customers simply because of their one or their single platform, which consumers, they can do wide range of things from that single platform. They can bank, save, invest, and spend, which is something that is incredible and challenges the traditional bank. So this competition is the one that is making Sofi to attract so many customers into coming and wanting to start using this platform, or wanting to become families of Sofi, which is something that is incredible. And I personally believe that we will see it, or we'll see the numbers growing even in the years to come, which is something that is incredible and ought to motivate you and show you that this 20% that we just saw this week, it's just the start. Otherwise, with all that, guys, allow me to welcome you to yet another awesome video. Now, on today's video, guys, we'll be looking at the latest development regarding this Sofi Technology stock. So please do watch this video until the end, because I definitely think that this latest development, which some of it resulted in the share price or the stock price of Sofi to rise by over 20%, will definitely motivate you to pile more into this Sofi Technology stock, because you remember that this is the stock that we talk a lot about on this channel, because it just had so much potential. I mean, for the fact that even the analyst or the Wall Street analysts are able to pick up or make favorable comments about this stock, it's something that is absolutely amazing and ought to motivate you to continue investing into this stock. Otherwise, before going any further, please know that I'm not a professional financial advisor. All that I'll be discussing here with you are just my opinions, and you should not take them as professional financial advice. Otherwise, if you seek professional financial advice, you don't know what to do by now, and that is you need to go and consult the professionals. Now, if you like the content that I'll be giving you on today's video regarding Sofi Technologies, then please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And that is, of course, if you have not subscribed to the channel already, so that you don't miss the latest development and the content of the stocks that we follow on this channel. Now, without a waste of time, now, as I've said, Sofi Technologies received some favorable comments from one of the analysts of Wall Street, making or bringing so much excitement to the investors, and that resulted in the Sofi stock rising by over 11% in just one day. Now, this is something that is incredible, and like I said, the reason why the stock went up by over 11% is simply because so many investors that invest into this Sofi Technologies, even those that don't invest in the stock, in this Sofi Technology stock, ended up starting to invest into this stock simply because of those favorable comments. This is what resulted in the stock to rise by 11%. I mean, when I saw that, even myself, I was very excited to know that even analysts or some of the Wall Street analysts are indeed starting to see the great potential that lies in the Sofi Technology stock. Otherwise, that Wall Street analyst gave Sofi Technologies a buy rating with a price target of $25 US per stock, which is absolutely amazing, especially looking where this stock was. I mean, you remember that just a few days ago, this is the stock that was trading around $14 US per stock. Now this stock is trading over $17 US per stock, and you will remember that this pricing that we are seeing here is the exact price, or the exact trading price we saw Sofi Technologies trading at before their Q2 earnings results, which I must say that due to the fact that they had reported a wider than expected loss, we saw this Sofi stock dropping dropping down to $14 US per stock. But I must say that this 20%, or this more than 20% uprise brought a lot of excitement to investors, and people are starting to like this Sofi Technology stock. So this Sofi stock is starting to bring interest to even some of the investors that had not invested into this Sofi Technology stock. And one of the good things, it looks like so many investors are anticipating that Sofi Technologies will get that banking chatter, which will make them be able to reach a wide range of customers, which is something that is incredible. I mean, with the banking chatter, Sofi already indicated in January to say that they will be able to produce over 400 million US dollars in earnings, which is something that is incredible, because imagine if they're each and every quarter they are reporting earnings results that are over 400 million US dollars. It's something that is incredible and ought to motivate you to stay long into this Sofi Technology stock, because I also personally think that these Sofi Technologies will get, or it will be possible for them to get to that figure, no problem, because with the banking chatter it enables, or it allows them to reach, like I said, a wide range of customers. Now, this Wall Street analyst just confirmed something that I think we covered in the previous video that we were discussing about Sofi Technologies, and that is, of course, to say that we could see Sofi Technologies generating a 45% revenue increase every year in the next coming 4 years, which is something that is incredible, and has to show you that Sofi Technologies, it is expected to do very well in the next coming 4 years, which is something that by just that it should tell you of how a good opportunity it is to start investing into this stock right now, because it is expected to do very well in the next coming 4 years, which is something that has to motivate you to either stay long into this stock or to pile more or increase your holdings into this Sofi Technology stock, because it is set to do very well. Now, this Wall Street analyst indicated that with the banking charter approval, Sofi Technologies could expand their lending capacity, which is something that is truly amazing and has to show you what the banking charter could do to Sofi Technologies. Otherwise, this Wall Street analyst further indicated that this banking charter will open so many doors, even for their payment processor company, Galileo. And by the way, this Galileo acquisition is the one that made Sofi Technologies to report a wider than expected loss for the Q2 of 2021 earnings results, which is something that I believe it's a good acquisition, as this Wall Street analyst is saying, because it opens so many doors for this company also, which is something that has to motivate you to stay long into this company. So Sofi Technologies, it is a stock which I believe that we are going to see its share price continuing to rise, because like I said, it is set to do very well. It is a stock with some strong fundamentals. It's not just one of those meme stocks that don't have the strong fundamentals to support their pricing, but this is a stock that has the good strong fundamentals that surrounds it, which is why I believe that it's a stock that you should consider having in your portfolio, and especially with the banking charter approval, which is set to be announced this coming November. I personally think that it is a good decision for you to own this stock before the banking charter approval, because with that approval, I definitely think that it will force the stock to kind of like react to that, making the share price or the stock price of this company to rise further, with an anticipation of Sofi generating over 400 million US dollars per quarter, which is something that is truly amazing, and like I said, has to motivate you to stay long into this Sofi Technology stock. This is a stock which I believe, guys, it will do very well, and it will continue to attract many customers or clients into coming and wanting to start using this Sofi platform, because like I said, it is becoming a one-stop shop for all things relating to digital banking, which is disrupting the traditional banks, because with the traditional banks, like, that system, it's old. This Sofi Technologies, it's something that really excites consumers or the members that use this platform, as they can almost do anything that they would want to do, like from saving, investing, spending, and lending, which is something that with the traditional banks you would have to go to the banks to do those things. Now, for the fact that the consumers or customers of Sofi Technologies can do this at the comfort of their homes, it is something that is going to bring in more people, or bringing more new members into coming and wanting to start using this Sofi platform, which is something that also I believe it has to motivate you to stay long into this Sofi Technology stock. Otherwise, with all that, guys, please go do your own due diligence before you could add this stock to your portfolio, before you could add your holdings into this portfolio. As I've said at the beginning of this video, these are just my opinions, and you should not take them as professional financial advice. Otherwise, with all that, guys, I make tons and tons of stock market investing videos, and if you think that this video was amazing, please don't forget to hit that like button, and if you're new, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that YouTube can notify you every time I release a video. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.